Welcome to Vedic Astrology Classes, Session 26. You are familiar with the names assigned to the 12 houses of your birth chart. Session 25 has taught you a very simple and practical method to identify the lords of 12 houses in a birth chart. For convenience sake, the lords of 12 houses are addressed by specific names. Lord of the first house or Pratham Bhav is called Lagnesh or Ascendant Lord. Lord of the second house, Dvitiya Bhav, is known as Dvitiyesh. Since second house is popularly known as Dhan Bhav, so Dvitiyesh is also called Dhanesh. Third Lord is addressed as Tritiyesh. Lord of the fourth house, Chaturth Bhav, is referred as Chaturthesh. Since fourth house is popularly known as Sukh Bhav, so it is also called Sukhesh. Lord of the fifth house, Pancham Bhav, is referred as Panchamesh. Lord of the sixth house, Shasht Bhav, is known as Shashthesh. Lord of the seventh house, Saptam Bhav, is referred as Saptamesh. Lord of the eighth house, Ashtam Bhav, is known as Ashtamesh. Lord of the ninth house, Navam Bhav, is called Navmesh. Since ninth house is known as Bhagya Bhav, so its Lord is also referred as Bhagyesh. Lord of the 10th house, Dasham Bhav, is known as Dashmesh. 10th house is referred as Karm Bhav, so Lord of the 10th house is also called Karmesh. 11th Lord is referred as Labhesh and Ekadashesh. Lord of the 12th house, Dwadash Bhav, is known as Dwadashesh. Addressing the lords of the 12 houses of a birth chart in this specific manner helps us a lot in drawing inferences when we read and interpret a birth chart. Note carefully, in this example, Lagnesh is moon. It is placed in 4th house. Dvitiyesh or Dhanesh is sun, which is placed in 7th house. Third Lord or Tritiyesh is Mercury, placed in 8th house. Fourth Lord or Chaturthesh or Sukhesh is Venus, also placed in 8th house. Panchamesh is Mars, which is in 3rd house. Shashthesh or 6th Lord is Jupiter, which is placed in 4th house, along with Lagnesh. Saptamesh is Saturn, placed in 8th house. Ashtamesh is also Saturn, which is placed in its own house. Navmesh or Bhagesh is Jupiter, which is placed in 4th house, along with Lagnesh. Dashmesh or Karmesh or 10th Lord is Mars, placed in 3rd house. Ekadashesh or 11th Lord, or also called Labhesh, is Venus, placed in 8th house. 12th Lord or Dwadashesh is Mercury, placed in 8th house. Repeat this exercise yourself and make yourself expert in identifying the Lagna, Lagnesh, different Rashis, planets, lords of different houses in a birth chart. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic Astrology Classes Session 27.